Before I bake anything for my community, I plan my week slowly, not to do more, but to stay calm. Hi, my name is Shim. In my last video, I shared my calm sourdough routine from a regular home kitchen. Today, I am showing you how I plan my sourdough bake week, especially when I'm baking for my community, in a way that doesn't feel overwhelming. I used to think planning meant packing my week full. Now I know it is about protecting my energy. For me, calm planning isn't about productivity, it's about clarity. I don't ask how much can I bake. I ask how much can I bake comfortably. If you're baking from home, this question matters. Before I accept any prepaid orders, I check in with three things: my actual schedule, not the ideal one, my starter's rhythm, and my local community's response to my post for orders. I am making my first post for orders after taking a short break. I really don't know what to expect. I was surprised how quick and immediate the orders started coming in. The warm welcome back from my local community is very sweet and I appreciate it. If any of those feel off, I scale back, and that decision always pays off later. I usually choose just 1 or 2 focused bake days, not every day, not all week. I build in rest days because sourdough already asks for patience. When I am baking for my community, I keep things familiar. Same recipe, same timing, same tools. I have learned that community baking works best when you don't experiment every week. Consistency builds trust and keeps you calm. I have orders from 5 different customers. Since this is my first resumption week, I'm only baking classic sourdough breads and whole wheat loaves. My sister convinced me to make chocolate rolls for the house. I also got first-time sourdough trial customers, and it will be so nice to get their feedbacks. This is still just my home kitchen. I plan around the space I have, not the space I wish I had. If you're baking from home too, planning is how you make it work without burning out. If you've been thinking about baking sourdough for others or already doing it, I hope this showed you that planning can feel calm, not heavy. You don't need to do the most. You just need a plan that respects your life. If this was helpful, then I'll see you in the next one.